Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another little a quick stop doing this and try this instead video for you, and this time it features nails. Yes, we all like to, have our nails done and all that, but me personally, I'm kind of on the cheaper side. I don't like going to the nail salons because there's too many people there, and plus with the line of work that I'm in, it doesn't really pay for me to spend a whole lot of money to get my nails done. So here's what I've been doing to maintain my nails looking done when they are obviously not. Right now, this is like my current fave of the moment, and it is the Kiss Acrylic Salon Acrylic French Nude nails. They have them in a nude finish. They have French tip. And there's another one called Naturals. I haven't been able to get my hands on the Naturals. I gotta order those online. But these are really good, and personally, I get them in the length real short. I don't know if you can see that there, because of the line of work that I do. And these, done properly, they last. I've worn these for 2 weeks, a little bit longer, the same amount of time that you would get out of a salon wear, at a fraction of the price. These are about $6. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. Don't mind my nails. Some things that you are going to need is acetone nail polish remover or 91% alcohol. You're going to need your cotton. And I don't use the glue that it comes with. This is the glue that I prefer. And this is the Ultimate Hold Super Nail Glue in clear. Bonds in Seconds is by LA Colors. This is about it's under $2. It's $1 and some change at Walmart. You're going to need a nail file, and you're going to need a manicure stick. I mean, you don't need this, but you definitely need this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to jump off camera and trim my natural nails because they do need to be trimmed a little bit. During the cold months, I do not let my natural nails grow because they break as soon as I go outside, and I swear after like 5 minutes of being in cold air, I can tap something and my nail is broken. So I avoid that. So I am going to step away for a second, trim my natural nails, and then we are going to get started. Alright guys, I'm back. So I went ahead and I used my nail polish remover. I had a little bit of glue from my last set of nails that I had on. So I trimmed my natural nails. Sorry about that. I'm going to go ahead and wipe all my nails with 100% acetone. This is how you prepare the nails. And my fingers are going to look ashy and, ridiculous, but that's okay. Because you just want to make sure you get those natural oils off, of your nails before you apply the glue. So now that part's done. I let that sit for a second. I'm going to go ahead and open this and show you what comes inside. I know press-on nails have been becoming more and more popular due to the pandemic, and I'm still wanting to keep our hands cute. Women are going to be women. That's what we do. And this acrylic line is so much better than other brands that I use because they're thicker. And I've actually used my nail to like push into Amazon tape, on your Amazon boxes, and like go up and open the boxes. So this is what comes in there. You get your own pink gel nail glue. I've never used this, so I can't say if this is, good or bad. I've never used it. I always have this glue on hand. And you get your nails. This does come with a little manicure stick. I forgot about that. And all your different sizes. So you want to, it has a little buffer on one side. Little, on the other side, and the little manicure stick. These are too tiny for me. That's why I use my full size stuff. So then after that, you just go in and you measure your nails, and they have these little tabs. I don't know if you can see them here, and they're all numbered. So like I know 0 is way too big for me. Normally my thumb is a size 1. That's how long I've been using these, that I know that my thumb is a size 1. So here's a one. So you want to make sure that it fits on the sides and covers your nail in its entirety. So what I usually do is I take out all the nails. So there's my one. And I have odd nail sizes. So like 4 is my pointer finger. That's what works for my pointer finger. So it's like 1, 4. I think 3 is the middle finger, which is a 3 right here. So you just want to make sure they all fit very well. Don't mind the fact that my hands are dry. I wash them a million times a day, just like everybody else. So you want to make sure that it covers all the way. That's a real big thing. Again, for this one, I believe this was a size 5. I have such odd nail shapes. Nail sizes. Gotta find the 5. Ugh. I'll find it soon. It's gonna pop up at some point. Sometimes these numbers can be hard to see, so you know, don't give yourself a hard time. And sometimes you won't find them here because they're in the part that was shown on the package. So you see there's another layer, you can lift that. And that's where you'll find the other nails, which there's another plastic in there also. So my 5s are probably in here. Usually they are, and it looks like it's right here. Actually, that's another 4. But I can also use a 4 on that nail too, so that's fine. That's a 3. Anyway, I'll find the 5s. I'm gonna get my nails. Alright guys, I'm back and I have all my nails here measured out finally. Move my phone over there, sorry about that. So I've got that part done. Now before I would always hear people saying, oh, you should file your natural nails to try to like make them a little make like some grooves or whatever for the glue to get into. I have done that in the past. And you can. I can't say for sure whether it's going to make your nails last longer or not. But like I said, I have great wear time with these nails no matter what. I also used to take the nails and file on the inside of them. That was a tip that I had gotten also. But once I started using these, I just stopped doing it. I mean, other nails that I did it to, I actually ended up messing up the nail because the plastic would be, you know, a little, I guess, thinner or whatever. So it would bend and make marks in the nail. So that's what ultimately made me stop doing that. So I'm going to open my nails. I just wipe them over again with nail polish remover. And this glue is really good. Now, the part that I have not mastered is getting it with a bubble-free fit. But I'm going to work on that. I have it in my mind how I'm going to do this. Make sure there's no anything like from the cotton left on your nails. I know they look dry and ratchet. That's okay. I'm going to start with my thumb, or should I start with my pinky? I'll start with my pinky. And I'm going to apply a generous amount, covering the whole nail area. That was another thing I used to do. I didn't put enough. And I also go to my natural nail and put the glue there also, all the way to the edges to seal. Oh, sorry about that. So then I'm going to attempt to get a bubble-free fit. So if some spills over, I don't care. Oops, you didn't see that. I put a lot of glue because they last, and I want a bubble-free fit. And so you want to hold it down. Don't just put the nail on and let it go. That was another mistake, a rookie mistake, I say. Because when you get into these press-on nails, and once you see how much money you can save and still have your hands cute, trust me, you're going to be hooked on it. So you want to do it right. You hold it for a few seconds. I think I have one tiny little bubble, but you can barely see it. So that's good for me. And then you simply pop the tabs off. After you're done with all that, you want to file down. There's a little area here that you want to file down. So yeah, let's get these nails on. And I'm just going to repeat this process. So again, do the entire nail area. Make sure it's going to bond all the way. Go onto your natural nails. Do the same thing. I know it looks like a lot of glue, because it is. But you want them to last. So You gotta do what you gotta do, you know? Once you place it on, you can move the glue around and make sure it's on all areas. Hold it down so you can get that bubble free, you know. And they just look so good. I love them. And this is the Salon Acrylic French Nude. So I leave it like this. I have seen other people go ahead, but not with the nude one. With the natural ones, you can go ahead and do your own nail polish and stuff over that. And I have the whole gel set up, everything. I also do those type of nails, so I'll be making videos on that too. I only do it on myself. I'm in no way a professional. So, oh, look, I got a bubble-free finish. Yay, that looks really pretty. So you pop that tab off, and you just keep the process going. So, let's do this. Cover all areas. I'm telling you, these are going to last. And I'm absolutely obsessed with this particular brand, with Kiss. They are doing major things. I remember back in the day, Kiss was just like known as like some cheap brand in the drugstore. Like, yeah, you could get stuff, but it was like cheap stuff. No, Kiss has stepped their game all the way up. And these nails are like complete proof of that. So, it's like, why spend $70, $80, upwards of $100, you know, when I could spend $6 and my hands are still, they still look beautiful. Please let this come out bubble free. Please let this come out bubble free. My hands, it did, yay. My hands still look great, still look very feminine. And, you know, I get to keep those coins in my pocket and spend it on makeup like we know I like to. So, yeah. Through this pandemic, you know, I think we all had to pull out some talents that we didn't know we had as far as maintaining our own hair and nails and things like that. So, yeah, look at this. I'm always funny with this finger. I don't know. Do you have like that one nail where it's like you put it on and it looks straight and then you put your hand in front of you and it's like crooked, but it's not because the nail is crooked, it's because your finger is crooked? Yeah. I might go ahead and put some like some stones on one or two of the nails as a decoration because I have some. I have so much gel nail polish. I have the lamp. I have everything you need to do nails at home. I had to pull out that talent. So let me do this. That's the last one I'm going to do on camera. Then I'm going to finish my other hand off camera. But just showing you, cover the entire surface of your nail. Cover the entire surface of the inside of the artificial nail. Don't skimp on the glue. You need the glue. If there's like a little too much, you know, dab it off, whatever. But you want to cover all surfaces because that's going to be what's going to help you get that bubble free, and it's going to seal it everywhere. And your nails are going to last and last and last. So let's get this one on. And I don't know about you, but I love when my nails are done. When they're not, I feel so undone, unput together. I feel like my life is not in order. I'm a failure, like real dramatic. So look at that, bubble free, see? Yes. All right, so let me do the other hand and I will be back. Okay guys, I'm back. So I got this hand all together. I did get a little bubble action here, I think on two of my nails, but I just wanted to show you. So all of them are on, and I'm just gonna pop off all the little tabs that have the numbers on it. And I do this at night. I do this before I go to bed. The reason why, because you want to give the glue time to dry completely. After you pop those tabs off, just go ahead and file a little bit just to get those little groovy things from the tabs off. And your nails look professionally done. And your hands look cute again, you know? So you just want to do that. And like I said, I do it before I go to sleep so everything can dry. I don't want to do them, then be walking around the house and I'm having to wash my hands and then, you know, maybe it's not dried all the way and water gets in there. You don't want to do that. Also, another thing that Kiss offers, which is really good, but I didn't use today, is this Kiss Guard and Bond nail glue. This one has some type of I forgot if it's antimicrobial or antibacterial, something anti to stop from you getting fungus under your nails. So if that's a problem for you, you can definitely look into this. I don't know why I didn't use it today. I used it one time. I don't know, but whatever. So yeah, and sometimes people can get, you know, 2 wears out of these because it does come with 28 nails. Me, I feel like I have odd nail sizes, so I usually only get 1 wear out of these, but I am in no way mad because, like I said, it's about $6. For me personally, I'm going to stick with the Salon acrylic line of these because they are thicker. It's just, they last better, and I do heavy work with my hands, so it just works for me. And these are the nudes. So I'm gonna probably go on Amazon and order a couple of the naturals, because with those you can be creative and, you know, color them and all that, and I have the whole setup for that also. So I definitely will be doing a video on that. So here is the finished product. Not bad for $6 in about, what, 10 minutes, 15 minutes? If I wasn't explaining, it'd be like maybe 10 minutes. So definitely not bad. And keeps your hands looking pretty. I'm not worried about the fact that my hands are a little dry. Like I said, I'm going to go to sleep, let it dry all the way, and I will deal with all the lotioning and all the stuff that needs to be done tomorrow. Give it a couple hours, you know, do it at a time where you know you're not going to have to wash your hands, you're not cooking, anything like that. Give yourself at least a good 3 hours not touching any water or anything like that. And I promise you, these nails are going to last. They last me a very long time. They last me the same amount of time it would take before I would have to go get a fill from the nail salon. So yep, here's the finished product. I thank you guys for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.